happy with that. You are certainly a welcome guest in my hometown. But if outsiders wish to enter Republic territory, they must apply for a pass at the border crossing. The border crossing is just north of the Mjolnir Mountains by Aldebaran. The Rekenver Company has a... Have a nice trip, adventurer!
Oh, show me your path! Hey, what are you looking at? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Oh, hey, what are you looking at?
You liar! I've been waiting. Gotta let me go today, or I'll just hang around.
What's your deal? How about a taste of my book? Don't want to wait in line? Well...
Help! There are robbers over here!
Really? Every traveler's on a journey back home. Really? Actually, The black market merchants have their own base near the ancient tree, in the south of the Mjolnir Mountain.
All those things. I don't mind stealing to help those in need. Just look at what's in the container. You'll see what I mean. There's nothing ordinary about what's in there. All those things. Mind running over to the Sograt Desert for me? An old friend of mine lives there. He's a master of healing and magic medicines. There's no one else I'd rather have help us investigate these bodies.